Hi kids, now you all know what are the parallels of latitudes, correct? The parallel circles from the equator to the poles. They are known as parallels of latitude. Which are the important latitudes? The equator, then see over here, the equator, then if you go towards the north, Tropic of Cancer, if you go further towards the north, Arctic Circle, and further up, that is the North Pole. These are all the main latitudes, parallels of latitudes. Now if you come from equator towards the south, you will see Tropic of Capricorn, you will see Antarctic Circle, and you will say, what you will see last is South Pole. Yeah, so these are all the important 7 latitudes. Clear kids? This we did last time. Now today we'll learn about the different zones. Now what are zones? Look kids, can you see the yellow straight lines? This is a rays of the sun. Can you read the word sunlight? Yes, these are the rays of the sunlight falling on the earth. Now look, from this picture you can see direct rays are falling on which zone, which places? Tropic of Cancer, equator, and Tropic of Capricorn. So where the direct rays of the sun are falling, those areas are called as torrid zone. What are they called as? Torrid zone, also known as tropical zone. Clear? There's a printing mistake over here. We call it as torrid zone. Yeah, where the direct rays are falling, that is called torrid zones. Yeah, then if you see the place from Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the north, and if you see the place from Tropic of Capricorn, yeah, to Antarctic Circle, those green color, can you see? There the sun's rays are falling slanting, not straight. They are falling slanting. So those green color places, those areas are known as which zone? They are known as temperate zone. The green color area in the north is called north temperate zone, and the green color area in the south is called as south temperate zone. Clear kids? Now if we move further, can you see the blue colors? Yes. What are those that is North Pole and the South Pole. The areas of North Pole and South Pole, sun's rays hardly reach. Like you can say it hardly means very little, or it does not reach also sometimes. Clear? Sun's rays does not reach those places. So it is very cold over there. And such places are known as polar zones, and they are also known as frigid zones. What are they called, kids? Polar zones, or the another name is frigid zones. Clear? Yeah, polar zones or frigid zones. Understood? So which are the three types of zones? The red one, here it is written tropical, but we will read it. The another name main is, we call it as torrid zone. So the three zones are torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Which are the three types? Torrid, yes, torrid zone where the sun's direct rays are reaching, so it is very hot. Then comes the temperate zone, the green colors, where slanting rays of the sun are reaching. Correct? Slanting rays are reaching, so we call it temperate zone. The temperature is not very hot, not very cold, a pleasant temperature. Then, if we go towards the pole areas like the North Pole and the South Pole, sun's rays do not reach at all over there. It is very cold over there. So, those areas are known as polar areas, or they are also known as frigid zones. They are known as polar zones, or they are also known as frigid zones. Clear? Okay, very good. Okay, kids. Next, we will what I will now. I wanted to show you the degrees, if you remember. Correct? Now, here, as I said, Earth is measured in degrees. Can you see equator? What? How we will read this? That circular part on the top is called degree. So we will read Earth is 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer is 23 and half degree. And because it is towards the north, we will write N over there. Clear? Same way, Tropic of Capricorn, it is 23 and half degree, but it is in south, so we will write S. Got it? Yes. Then Arctic Circle, what is the degree? 66 and half degree. And because it is in the north, you will write N. Same way, Antarctic Circle is in the south. And what is the degree of that? 66 and half degree. We will write S. South. Got it? And North Pole and South Pole, they both are 90 degrees. So, North Pole, how we will write? Because it is in the north, you will write 90 degree N. That is 90 degree north. And down in the south, what you will write? 90 degree S, means 90 degree south. Clear, kids? So now you should be aware of what are parallels of latitudes, then which are the main parallels of latitudes, and which are the three important zones of the earth. Correct? Okay, now we'll study further later on. See you. Bye bye, kids.